trade this one though. So I just bought that TF and I'm out. Nice. Good job. So this is the, look at all this confluence first of all. If you've watched any of our webinars or heard me talk about confluence, we had this nice big push here with some velocity. See the yellow line in the background. We have an oversold condition. Now this bar opened too far from this support, so this bar didn't qualify. Then we got a speed tick and a flash on this bar. Now if you combine the speed tick on this bar and the flash on this bar, we have the potential, or we have what's called a speed flash trade. So the trade is at the open of the next bar. This was very easy to take because our new OTS indicator, that thing that just disappeared, showed us where the open was, showed us where my safety net was relative to my stop distance, and it showed that I had plenty of support here. So when that line, at the open of that bar, I bought it, and up it went. And that's our sweet spot. Now, whatever happens now, I don't care. In fact, is this a reversal? Don't know, don't care. The fact is we have a downward trend, and I'm expecting that trend to continue, just like trend traders do. But I just play this little sweet spot, this little pullback right here. This could be the beginning. This could end up being a big pullback. This could end up being a reversal. I don't know. I don't care because I know where my edge is. My edge is that sweet spot right there.